Ready?
Hi, my name's Andrew from Gold Coast Plumbing Company. Here we've got a fairly typical sort of Aussie patio out the back, and customer rang up complaining that rain and water was coming in underneath and flooding the floor. Unfortunately, there's no way to let the water out off the back of the patio because of this retaining wall. So what we've done is we've cut in like a spoon drain into the concrete. Our friends at Diamond Edge helped us out cutting the concrete, and we've just laid up this drain. So that should pick up any sort of surface water that blows in underneath this roof, and it'll also pick up any water that should happen to come over that retaining wall at all in a severe downpour. And so we've come around the corner here. There was an old spoon drain here, which it wasn't falling. It was in pretty bad shape, so we just took that out altogether, and we've made the drain come around the corner, and we've stopped it here, and we've run 90mm stormwater pipe into this new gully pit, which we've installed here as well, and so that will pick up the overflow from the tank and also from the downpipe. Before there was just like a little guzzler drain in there, and it wasn't handling the job at all. So now we've got this big gully pit in there. It should be no problem whatsoever. So there you have it. If you have a similar problem at your place, give us a call.